Alright, boys, what's up? Good morning. Today is Thursday, November 20th. I made around, very small day, made around 1,300, like let's just say $1,500. Basically 300 across each account. I made $1,500 trading Nasdaq. Not this morning. I traded Asia, and I'm gonna show you the trade I took now. I did not like these conditions. I didn't take any trade on my live account just because I did not like these conditions whatsoever. I will be requesting a $10,000 payout tonight with Tradeify if you guys are interested in using them. I think their lightning fund is at 30% off right now if you use code Ale. But I will show you guys what I thought today coming to market open. I was extremely bullish. I want to see these highs get taken out. We're rejecting this gap on the hourly time frame. We are extremely bullish. We have a breaker block, 15-minute gap, 15-minute order block, and we have these obvious highs. What the fuck? Obvious highs resting above us. Now, let's look at the delivery to these highs. Do you see a single entry here? Oh, maybe here. Got stopped out. Did I take this? No. Why didn't I take this? Take a look at ES at 937. Right? It was trading at the high of the range. If you look at every high the market put in today, ES put an SMT at that high, while Nasdaq was putting SMTs at the lows. So I was not trying to trade this market, right? I've told you guys before, when price puts an SMT at both sides of the both ends of the market, right? It doesn't mean the move is not going to happen, but it means price is going to chop. And what did we do? I mean, price action was 10 times cleaner pre-market than it was. What I don't even want to look at this shit. This makes me sick to look at, right? So overall, pretty shit trading day. Did I trade? No, because I know that if price is putting an SMT at the high and the low, I'm not touching that shit, right? So what do I see? 10K payout secured, right? Look at Asia. Right, at this point in time, we're obviously bullish, right? We are extremely bullish. What am I looking for? Here. I believe it was right over. We had these highs. Guys, and again, this is a very simple trade. I literally just longed Asia open with like 5 micros. Like super simple trade. There was literally not much to it. Besides this, I longed Asia open. I liked it. I think we were in a 15-minute gap with highs above us. Where was this? I'm losing it. Sorry, not a 15-minute gap. I think it was a 5-minute gap. Yep. We're in a 5-minute gap and a 5-minute order block with obvious highs above us and a 5-minute bullish close right before that. I figured, all right, even if we push lower, I do want to see price take out these highs before we push lower, right? So that's what I did. I took a long there, made literally bare minimum, and I would have risked a lot more if it was a normal day, but it is the last day before a payout, so I'm not going to risk heavy. I think that's very stupid. And coming into market today, honestly, no trades you should be taking. Nothing. Did what we say wanted to happen play out? Yes. We wanted this 15-minute gap to get filled and then push higher. Was there a delivery within that? No, there is nothing here for us, right? So if you guys have any questions about this or about anything, feel free to comment them. I will be there to answer. It's a pretty simple trading day. Honestly, poor price action with my system. This is poor price action. Maybe you won, maybe you made money. Good for you. Maybe you lost money. You should work on acknowledging poor market conditions. Regardless, I will see you boys tomorrow. Have a great day and peace out.